1 hour ago, Chaz Health opened up thousands of new appointments. Registration is now full as people already waiting in the queue take the last appointments. Elenee now explains what's next with the COVID vaccine as the state's new Secretary of Health paid a visit to the Lilac City.
Well, as more people get vaccinated every day, only about 10% of the state's population actually received at least one dose. The vaccines have been out since December, and yet we're still slowly getting those shots in arms. In his visit today, the new Secretary of Health says the state can only do so much. The number one question on everyone's minds, when will you be getting your shot?
In the parking lot is kind of where it starts.
As Dr. Umair Shah tours the mass vaccination site at the Spokane Arena, he's hoping it'd be sooner rather than later.
The problem or the challenge is right now that the vaccine supply is what really keeps us as the unknown factor that just doesn't allow us to completely plan that far ahead because we're really waiting for understanding what that information is going to look like.
While the state and providers wait for more vaccines, the state is working on plans hoping to improve the process of getting appointments. We've heard the stories of websites crashing and busy phone lines.
So we're trying to streamline that process. Again, every day we're working closer and closer and harder to try to get to that great state that we want to see in the future, but we're not there yet.
Visiting Spokane and Eastern Washington today, he wanted people in every part of the state to know they're important to him. But those who face inequities are still falling through the cracks in getting vaccinated.
This is not about lack of planning. This is not about lack of implementation. This is a challenge across the country. And this has been the pandemic's concern, and this is how it's been throughout this entire year.
As the state and health officials continue to work through the logistics of getting more vaccines and more people vaccinated, what does it look like moving forward?
We're hopeful that we can, by spring, early summer, be able to have vaccines for a larger population or all of our population.
Now, if you didn't get a chance to book your appointment at the arena, Chaz Health says the next time they'll open up more spots is next Tuesday at 5 p.m. In studio, Elenee Dow, 4 News Now.